0.
This is NumberRoyale, and I'm Saktivel welcoming Cook, Strange Thinker, Gugan, Ritish, Eastman, Jayamani, Kayal, let's see who else, Ratna MJ, Harita Shri, Mageshwaran, Scrappy 434, Shri, Ramalingam BN, RK Durai, Harihara Sudan, Ganesh, Hema, and everybody else. Glad you're able to join us for the second match today. We also have Rocky Rock Deepu, 18 Parni, Smiling Queen 03, Berlin, Jarvis. Great. So the match right now is going to be the all correct format. This is the elimination match. Remember that. All right. So you must get all 9 of them right and be standing tall to be able to collect the prize at the end of the match. You can use lives in the first 8 questions, and of course the last one you cannot, and the last one's going to be algebra, and I know there are some algebra lovers here. So we've got somebody's reminding me that's 149th show, so we are on the verge of a century and a half. Tomorrow, Kamachi will have the honor of hosting the 1.5 century show. So great job, thank you for your support, and hopefully we'll get bring more of your friends and family as to. So you've got the format right. It's going to be all correct. $3 price, and let's start off with our riddle. So poor people need it. I'm sorry, poor people have it. Rich people need it. If you eat it, you die. What is it? Poor people have it. Wow. How sharp is this crowd? The sharpest audience and players in the entire world. I saw several names go by. I saw Mageshwaran, I think, came in, typed it in first. Money is not the one, Jarvis. Poor people don't have it, unfortunately. So anyways, so congratulations to all of you. Eastman, Selvi 17, Gugan, Harihara Sudan, everybody got it. I thought this could be a tough one. All right, let's get started. I know you're all itching to go. The first easy question, let's go. Question number 1. 9, 5, and 8. Desired result is 6. Addition and subtraction. 8 possible solutions, and we accept every one of them. They all amount to the same thing. There is no difference between any of the solutions. So you don't have to think out of the box. Just give us the right answer, and we will move you along to the second question. 48 of you have gotten it, and let's see, 6 possible solutions have been given. So that's good. You know, you're still thinking out of the box. So let's move on to question 2. 49, 5, 42. The desired result is 2. Addition, subtraction, and division are in play. How do you get 2 from 49, 5, and 42? This is getting to be too easy for a second question, so maybe we need to do something about that. It's just addition and subtraction. The division is not even coming into play at all. So 48 of you have given the correct answer, and 4 out of all 4 solutions have been given. So you've been very active and coming up with all possible combinations. Great job. Let's move on to question 3. Excuse me. 5, 2, and 14. Desired result is 98. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. Do the obvious thing. It's very straightforward. You've got 14, you've got 98. What else do you need? And should be able to move on to most of you should be able to move on. I'm guessing 48, maybe somebody who got distracted might have. Oh, man, it was a little bit tougher than I thought. 38, only 38 are moving on to the next question. I wonder why. It was obvious. It's 5 plus 2 is 7, and then 14 times 7 would have given you 98. All four possible solutions have been given. So, all right. So, I mean, you can practice and get better at this. No big deal. Let's move on to, you can use a life and jump back in. Question 4 looks like this. 4 numbers, 3, 7, 15, and 11. Desired result is 40. How do you get 40 with addition, subtraction, and multiplication from 3, 7, 15, and 11? It's not a straight addition. That much I can tell you. Try something else. And I don't have the answer, but I'm glad I have all of you working furiously to give me several answers. 3 out of the 4 possible solutions have been given. Wow, this was a tough one. Excuse me, for questions, only 5 of you were able to get this. How tough was that? Excuse me. 3 plus 7 is 10, and then 15 minus 11 is 4. So, I mean, once you tell me the answer, it looks simple, but I have to admit that I didn't get the answer. I was trying to furious to jump back in, and let's try question number 5, is it? Let's try question number 5. Decimals, 2.7, 6.2, 9.333, 4.5. Addition and subtraction are the operators. How do you get 1.333? There are 60 possible solutions. Of course, we have only 5 players plus whoever chose to use life in getting this. And let's see how many of you are coming out with the answers on this one. So 5. Oh, 9 of you have used, at least 9 of you have used lives, and 4 out of the 60 solutions have been given. Of course, that doesn't matter. Even if you give only the same solution, you get to move on to the next one. But let's see, 14 of you moving on. I'm happy. We're in double digits, so we should be good for the next 4 questions. Let's take a look at question 6. 18, 5, 3, and 15. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. We have 25 is the desired result. 25 is the desired result. 18, 5, 13, and 15. So addition, so there looks like there's some multiplication involved in this maybe. Let's see what type of answers we come up with. I am a little bit oh, no multiplication. Jarvis says no need for multiplication. Oh, just addition and subtraction. All right. 15 of you. Oh, somebody else jumped in with a life. Great. So, great job. And let's take a look at question 7. $27 is, and addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. 110 possible solutions. So this should have been maybe question number 4. So that would have been better. But anyways, these are randomly generated, and sometimes they're easy and sometimes they're not. So in this particular case, it just turns out to be easy question number 7. And let's take a look. There are 14 players who got this right. 5 out of the 110 solutions have been given. Let's take a look. And so congratulations to 14 of you who are moving on. Looks like we may have double-digit winners today. Let's see, question number 8. Fractions usually cuts down a few. 1/2, 1/6, and 1/3. How do you get 2/3 out of 1/2, 1/6, 1/3? Addition and subtraction are in play. 8 possible solutions. Do we get to keep all 14? Black Mamba says it's easy. I think he may be using the tried and tested lowest common denominator to get the answers right. Maybe you use a paper and pencil. No need if you don't have to. We lost 2 of you. Sorry about that. We have 12 of you giving the correct answer. 6 out of the 8 possible solutions are being given. Everybody is thinking out of the box. Great job. Let's go take a look at the final question. Algebra. 3x, 3x, 9. How do you get 9 from 3x, 3x? What values of x can you put in there? All right, there are 12. There's a lot more solutions. There's 12 ways of doing this. And I'm sure most of you who have played with algebra would know what to do. But there is obviously a simple trick to this. I'll reveal that in just 1 minute. Since you have 3x and 3x on both, you can subtract them out. Any value of x would have solved it, right? So you could have put x equal to 1 or x equal to 9 or anything in between would have gotten you. So all you had to do was to just put a number in and you would have gotten it. So 13 of you were able to solve it correctly, and congratulations to each and every one. And Ritish is agreeing with me. Thank you, Ritish. Any number would have solved it. And so great job. Let's go take a look at who the 13 winners are, or number royals for this match. 23 cents a piece. We've got Hema, Jarvis, in no particular order, Mad Cause Bad, Jarvis, Ritish, Cook, Hanok, Aji, Strange Thinker, Wilson, Scrappy 434, Jay Steets, Black Mamba, and Kausalya. Congratulations to you and everybody else who played. Thank you all for showing up on a Sunday morning here in the US and evening in India. Great job. This is Saktivel signing off, reminding you, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero. Play Number Royale every day. Thank you all. Bye for now.